Welcome to Law Dog Corvette. I'm still working on a 1974 Corvette convertible. Here we got the body off the frame, and me and my son are using a engine hoist to get it up. However, I think I first have to take you back a few years, in fact 10 years, when the body came off the frame.
Upside a little bit.
Gotta go higher.
Where?
Higher up, just straight up. Straight up.
Yes,
Straight up, higher in front.
up.
There it goes. Hold on.
well, that was 10 years ago. My son then was 5 years old, and now he's 15. He got excited about redoing the Corvette, and so I, with him, started working with him. So here we have completely redid the frame, suspension, engine, test fired the engine. We've got Doug's side pipe headers, and here we are reattaching the rear clip to the frame. Obviously the front clip's already off. There's 8 body bolts that hold the frame to the body. They're numbered on each side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is on the front of the firewall. 2 is where the door hinges set. 3 is behind the seats. You access it through the wheel well. And then 4 is also accessed in the rear wheel well, but kind of behind the rear wheel. It takes some finagling and a lot of patience, but if you can line up all the bolts with your new body mounting kit that I got from Zip's Corvette, you can finally sit down, just do some minor adjustments at that point. You're not trying to tighten anything down, you're just basically getting
And
the bolts to start.
How you put a Corvette body on the frame.